this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a super yummy, delicious, homemade Oreo blizzard. Now, you guys are totally gonna be blown away by this recipe because it's super easy to make, like pretty much all of my recipes, like on my YouTube channel, because you know what, I'm all about the simple, I'm all about the delicious, and I'm all about the protein. You know, I like to kind of whip it all up into one, and obviously it has to be delicious. Like, it's gotta be yummy, or else I'm not putting it on the channel. So if you guys stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make this yummy, delicious recipe. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and of course, this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous. And I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! And I'll make more videos like this in the future. So if you guys are ready to make a super yummy, delicious, full of protein Oreo blizzard, then let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a blender cup. And now we are gonna be using some frozen almond milk cubes. So I actually put these in the freezer last night, and of course they're ready to go today. Now I actually froze mine in this like little silicone pan thing. This is actually originally for cake pops or something like that, but it actually works perfect for freezing almond milk. It's amazing. So when you freeze your almond milk cubes, you just want to make sure that you freeze about like 1.25 cups to about 1.5 cups of almond milk. And a bonus about using the silicone kind of like pan thing is that when they're frozen, they're so much easier to pop out. So next we're gonna be using some LadyBoss Lean because it is delicious. This is the all-in-one nutritional shake. It is vanilla cake flavored, and I like to use LadyBoss Lean because it is gluten-free and has grass-fed whey in it. Now, each scoop of the LadyBoss Lean is only 100 calories, which is amazing. It's got a ton of vitamins and minerals in there, and it's great for weight loss, immunity support, craving control, and digestive health. So that's why I like to use it on a regular basis. So in this recipe, we are only gonna be using 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean vanilla cake flavor. Next, we're gonna be using some vanilla pudding. So this is actually the fat-free version of the vanilla pudding made by Jell-O, as you can see. I do like to add this into the blizzard just because it gives it a little bit more creaminess, and it just gives it a really, really good vanilla taste. So in this recipe, we are just gonna be using 2 tablespoons of the vanilla pudding. So next we're gonna be using some xanthan gum. I think that's how you say it, xanthan gum. So xanthan gum, if you guys have never heard of it before, it's kind of just like a binding agent. It just kind of like brings everything together. And it's kind of like her magical ingredient in our Oreo blizzard. So in this recipe, we are only going to be using 1/8 teaspoon of the xanthan gum. So next, we're just going to be using a little bit of the liquid almond milk. So this is just obviously the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now I'm just going to be adding about 1/3 cup. So you can use anywhere from like 1/3 cup to basically like 1/2 cup, depending on like your blender and whether it's actually going to like allow you to blend it up or not. So we just want to put the lid on, and of course we want to put that on the blender. So as you can see, we have our blended goods, and of course we're going to be adding some Oreos to it now because we can't have an Oreo blizzard without Oreos. So I'm just going to be using a little package of mini Oreos, and of course we want to smash those up a little bit. So I'm just using the bottom of a cup. Now if you guys want to use a hammer or whatever you want to use, you can definitely use whatever you want to kind of like smush them up a little bit. I just found like the bottom of a cup works really well for me. So of course you want to open that up, and then we're going to add that into our mixture because this is really where like all of the magic happens. Now you guys might notice that the mixture that we just kind of blended is a little bit on the yellow side, but that's natural because of the vanilla pudding. So don't be alarmed if it looks just like a hint yellow. It's no big deal. So we want to add our Oreo bits in there, and of course then we just want to like throw that on the blender one more time. And voila, we have our Oreo Blizzard. Now we are going to top it with a few more of those like smushed up Oreos on top, just for like a little bit extra deliciousness, you know? So we're just going to add a few more on top. And there you have it, the most delicious, yummy, protein Oreo Blizzard that you've ever tasted in your entire life. For me anyways, it's like the most delicious thing ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys totally make this recipe because it is so good. That was like a huge chunk of Oreo and it was delicious. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me know if you guys have any new recipes that you want me to try out. I've actually had a few people comment down below and actually tell me and give me some good ideas for some like up and coming recipes. So I have been working on a few things in the kitchen. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.